If their competitor in 16 is going to be Hillary Clinton, supported by Bill Clinton and presumably a still relatively popular President Barack Obama, trying to win that will be truly the Super Bowl. And the Republican Party today is incapable of competing at that level.
Wow. Joining us from Austin, Texas, a stalwart Republican, Karl Rove. Do you agree with Speaker Gingrich?
I do with a little bit of it, but not a lot of it. Look, there are four things he said in that sentence. One is that, or those sentences. One is that Clinton would be formidable, backed by her husband. That's right. Second, he said that if there were a popular President Obama, that would be helpful to her. That's really not accurate. If you take a look at it, Truman, LBJ, and Bush 43 were all unpopular, and their parties lost the White House at the end of 8 years. But then Eisenhower and Clinton were both popular, and their parties lost it at the end of 8 years. We had one president whose standing was neutral. In November of 1988, Ronald Reagan's job approval was 51%, and his party kept the White House. So I don't think President Obama is necessarily going to have a big impact.
Okay, but I think what the Speaker's trying to get across is at this point the Republicans are pretty much in disarray, and they can't compete with the organized Democratic machine. And that's why Romney lost. The machine won it, got the vote out, and Romney himself couldn't mobilize, got fewer votes than John McCain did. So if it continues this way...
Actually, that's not accurate.
Go ahead.
That's actually not accurate. He now has moved ahead of what McCain got 4 years ago, and President Obama's got about 94% of what he got 4 years ago. But I accept the point that today the Republican Party couldn't win the election, but the election is 4 years off. After the 1964 loss, the Republicans couldn't win the election, but they did 4 years later. After the Republicans lost in 1996, they were in disarray.
Okay,
and
anything can happen, certainly.
Yeah, that's right. 4 years is
but right now, Gingrich is right that Hillary